Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register your LLC with Incfile, full guide step by step clearly. To register your LLC with Incfile, start by visiting the Incfile website. Once there, locate the Start button or similar option to begin the process. Choose the state where you want to form your LLC from the drop-down menu. Next, select the LLC formation package that best suits your needs. The basic package usually includes essential services while premium packages offer additional features. After choosing your package, click Next to proceed. Fill out the required information about your LLC, including the name you wish to register. Make sure the name complies with your state's LLC naming requirements. Provide the name and address of your registered agent. A registered agent is responsible for receiving legal documents on behalf of your LLC. Next, enter the details of the LLC members or managers. This may include names and contact information for all members involved. Complete any additional questions related to your specific business structure. Then, review your order summary to ensure all information is correct. Once verified, proceed to the payment section to complete your purchase. Depending on your selection, Incfile will submit your filing to the state. You should receive confirmation once your LLC is officially registered. After that, you can access your LLC documents through your Incfile account. Finally, ensure that you check for any additional state requirements. This may include obtaining permits or licenses related to your business. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.